Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublet, Illinois. We're looking at some Quailridge trailers, and this is probably the best one-bedroom floor plan of all time. This is the Quailridge 38 FLA with extended dormers and raised ceiling. This is unit number 12066. It's Quailridge 2020 model, brand new, built by Forest River, unit number 12066. It is definitely the best one-bedroom floor plan I've ever encountered. And this one has a lot of cool features. You have a sectional sofa, pretty darn cool. I should have the fireplace going, but I don't. There's your electric fireplace. Let's go ahead and turn it on. There you go. Set the mood. You have a bench seating area. Storage under the chairs. Stainless appliance. Convection microwave. Ceiling fan on the ceiling. 56,000 BTU furnace. I love this part. Here's for all them people that always ask me, where's the washer dryers? Where's the washer dryers? There's one. Washer dryer, full size washer dryer. 56,000 BTU furnace. Stainless appliances. Convection microwave. This sucker's nicer than my house. Yep, it is. But that's okay. This is the Quailridge 38 FLA. It's in stock and ready for delivery. Okay, here's another nice feature about this trailer that everybody likes. It's got a separate door into the bathroom from the master bedroom. We have this one, a shower with glass doors, but it could also have a tub and shower combination, or the neo angle. So stepping on in here, vanity, medicine cabinet. Okay, now we're in the master bedroom. Pretty cool. I should have turned the door. There we go. Look at all the drawers and doors in here. Got a ceiling fan. You got the tall ceiling. You have lights in your closet. That's the furnace stack. You have full extension, ball bearing drawer guides. Look at the other side at the head of the bed. Bunch more cabinets, another shelf. Lit cabinets once again. Wood blinds on every window. And again, I love saying this. Everybody always asks, where's the washer dryer? Where would you put a washer dryer? Well, in this model right here, that's where it goes. Right by the rear entry door. Pretty cool, huh? Got your Whirlpool appliances, full size, electric dryer. House type rear entry. Love that too. 56,000 BTU furnace. If you're in them colder climates, you'll love that big furnace. Stainless fridge. Look at all the cabinets in the kitchen. Yeah, this is definitely one cool trailer. Check this stove out. 5-burner range. Yeah. And that middle burner is an optional griddle. You have to order it that way, don't get me wrong. This one don't have it. But you can buy the griddle attachment for it if you don't just use your own griddle. Plank wood flooring throughout the entire main floor. They only snuck the carpet in this one in the master bedroom, which is fine. I can take them either way, but always the main floor where the traffic is. You want the PVC flooring, plank wood PVC flooring. I know I said linoleum, but that's not it. It's plank wood PVC flooring. There's your sectional sofa. It is a sleeper sofa. Well, I got about 19 more trailers to film. Hope you enjoyed my tour. As I said, that's the Quailridge 2020 Quailridge 38 FLA. 1 bedroom, no loft, extended dormer, tall ceiling. That is one cool trailer. Unit number 12066, and it's available for immediate delivery. Call Kelly at 815-849-9089 with any questions. Thanks and have a great day.